January 2026 was not a coincidence. One question keeps returning. What happens when AI meets the electrical grid? On January 3rd, energy security dominates headlines. Why then? Why now? Norway wakes under snow power lines, humming hydro reservoirs iced over LNG terminals pulsing like lungs. Turbines spin in fjords, steady, physical, limited by nature. Days later, CES 2026 opens, and suddenly AI isn't about software. It's about electricity, fuel, power. Server halls roar, data centers glow, robotic arms learn faster than factories can expand. Autonomous fleets idle, waiting not for code, but for current. AI runs on chips. Chips run on power. Power runs the world. So the question is, timing, random or structural? How big is the gap between ambition and amperage? If AI training doubles, does transmission follow? If inference spreads to every warehouse, does cooling keep up? At the same time, energy geopolitics re-enters the global stage. Tankers reroute, price desks flicker, headlines from Venezuela and beyond show that supply is never just geology, it's policy, ports, and pressure. No allegation of a plan, just a calendar check. Because the scale is converging. AI demands are peaking as grids age. Hydro depends on snowpack wind, on weather gas, on geopolitics. What backs up the backup? If chips bottleneck models and megawatts bottleneck chips, where does growth stall first? And AI-generated media accelerates the narrative faster than truth can follow. Feeds flood with flawless synthetic clips. Oil fields on fire. Robots marching. Charts screaming. Slow down. Verify. What do the meters say? What do the pipelines carry? What does the grid actually deliver tonight? The pattern is timing, not theory. January pushes energy to the front page. CES reframes AI as an infrastructure story. Markets and ministries blink at the same moment. No accusation, just alignment in scale and sequence. So, where does this go? Data centers become power projects. Chip roadmaps become substation plans. Software updates meet capacity auctions. And reliability, once boring, becomes strategy. This is the infrastructure phase of AI. Watching the calendar, the kilowatts, and the claims, because the rest of 2026 will test all three.